I can no longer do that all by myself. I need to rest.
Yeah, it was a sorry situation. When you woke up, you need help. Since you need help, how do you call for help? Welcome back to My English YouTube channel. Before we can explore further, remember, click on these two buttons so that you can always stay tuned. Don't waste time splitting hairs.
If you could recall in the first episode, your teacher asked you to do a presentation right away, but you turned it down because you weren't prepared. But for this time around, we are going to propose a very valid reason. And I'm sure you will not get scolding and your teacher will sympathize with you. So what is this valid reason? Sir, I think I can't do the presentation today because I need help. I can't do it without any guidance. I can no longer do it under my own steam. I surrender. So it is very obvious that our favorite phrase for today is under my own steam. Under my own steam.
Oh, wait a second. What was the phrase again? Oh, I see. Under my own steam. But what does it have to do with steam? Oh, don't worry. Steam over here means power. As for under my own steam, this phrase also means under my own power. Well, last time, the train could operate well because it was under the steam. So steam over here means power or your own ability. If you can do something under your own steam, it means you can do something without external help. If you need external help, you should say, I can't do it under my own steam. Why not? You just take a look at this example. One day, if your boss says this to you, I hope all of you can handle this project under your own steam. This means he expects you to handle this project all by yourself without external help.
And so what next? Of course, we need to know how to use the phrase in our daily conversation. Now we pay attention to the skit that I modified from a Hong Kong drama.
3, 2, 1.
It's been tough lately, you know. Yeah, we know, we all know. No, you don't understand my situation. It's been so much and I don't know when all this started. Now, I'm totally worked up. And I know about it in the office. Oh, what happened to you, bro? I thought you were fine. Yeah, I thought so, but I can no longer do it under my own steam. I thought I could handle by myself, but the work has been piling up. And now I'm so stressed out. It's all my problem.
Why don't you just tell your boss?
It's no use at all. And I know I just need to rest.
You can talk to me, I'm here.
It doesn't help at all. Or you can help finish my work. Is that okay, huh?
Oh, that was funny. So would you help the guy to settle the work at the office? Yeah, it's totally up to you. But remember, without help, you can no longer do it under your own steam. So I wish you good luck.
點會啊？你有幾層樓收緊租㗎？
我貪心，我諗住揾多啲炒孖展，炒窿咗。我覺得我追得翻㗎。